Hi all, hope you are doing good. So today we are going to discuss some other CCNA network architecture related videos, and it could be included in this video or in upcoming like 2 3 videos I'll be explaining because I need to explain few other topics, which means like physical view of packet tracer, and you can see from there how it looks like. And other than that, some few of the features which I have already taken, and I will explain through that and so far, so you can understand the topics previously discussed ones in brief in this one. So let's see how it goes. So this is the one we have discussed in the previous video. So I have shown this one. So now let's see. Uh, Let me show you the physical view of this network architecture. Okay. So here I have shown only uh, one particular network. For example, it's kind of a company, let's say. Let's explain this. But in this same packet tracer file, I have included a lot of things, commands and everything. Okay. So when I go for the physical view, it might show other stuff as well. So I just wanted to show you now only a brief idea about this particular network and how in physical view the packet tracer file is showing this. Okay. So in packet tracer, if you go to physical, you can see this. Okay. So here you can see it's kind of a network rack and the switches, everything, even the power cables are shown. Okay. So you can see this cable, if I touch it, and the color changes. This is the updated version, I think. Earlier, it's not updated this much. Okay. So let's see. So actually, when you open your file, sorry, the physical view, it won't show this much, right? Actually, you will see a map when you open the physical view. Okay. So this one, if you click on the logical, you will see the logical view. And if you click on physical, you will see a map. Okay. So in your map, if you click that map, you can zoom in as well. So you will lead to here. Okay. And from there, you can zoom or zoom out and just let's see how it looks like. Okay. So here you can see this one is a laptop, printers, and all. It's kind of a display shown. Okay. So few of the devices I didn't connect to the switch. So actually this printer and all it doesn't have a cable connection. It's not showing it. So these things I have put without connecting. So that's why. But this laptop I have connected. You can see a cable here turning pink. Okay. You can see. So when you hover over it, you can see the color changes and it's connected to a switch. And if I click on this laptop, you can see. And actually, in this laptop as well, you can see this button. This one, if you click it, it will turn off. Okay, so this is one of the features in Packet Tracer. I just explained. Okay, I turn it on again, and CPU as well. You can see it's connected to another switch and network rack. If you wanted to zoom in further, you can. Yeah. So this is a switch, and you can see a router here. And these are router modules we can add. These are the modules we can add. Actually, in real life, you need to buy purchase modules and add. If not, when you are purchasing the router or switch itself, you can consider the which modules or features you need in that. So each particular module will have specific features. Okay, so these are mentioned here. When you click on this one, okay, you can see below single Ethernet port with two WC WIC slots that can support a single Ethernet LAN. So you can see these things. So these are based on the features. Here for simulation purpose, they have given like this. When you are buying, you can consider the specs and all these switches mostly like 2960 series. I think these are end of life already. So for now, in market, I think 9300 switches are mostly used. Okay, and for core switches 9500 we are using 38 series. So those are the details you can grab from Cisco website. Okay. So this is just a brief I just wanted to show you all.